Seniors, having trouble sleeping through the night? What if a simple drink before bed could gently help you relax, fall asleep faster, and support your muscles while you rest? Welcome to this thoughtful and carefully explored guide, where we'll uncover some of the often overlooked reasons why sleep becomes more difficult with age. More importantly, we'll share simple, comforting solutions that can help you ease the struggle and rediscover deep, peaceful rest. Because restful sleep isn't just about feeling better the next day. It's essential for healing, recovery, and keeping your body strong as the years go by. Tonight could be the beginning of calmer nights, deeper sleep, and a body that feels more supported and restored. As a dedicated health expert with over 20 years of hands-on experience helping older adults reclaim their vitality, reverse their physical decline, and optimize their daily energy, I understand perfectly and empathetically how it feels to wake up restless, utterly exhausted, and battling a low-grade, persistent anxiety about the demanding day ahead. You might firmly believe that drinking a large, refreshing glass of plain water right before bed is a universally healthy habit, a completely safe and logical way to stay hydrated throughout the long night. But for seniors, it is actually the very thing that is severely disrupting your delicate sleep cycle. Before we thoroughly explore the powerful, scientifically backed, and natural alternatives that will genuinely change your life, I want to ask you a quick, highly revealing question to see exactly who in our audience is struggling with this specific issue right now. Go down to the comments section right now and type 1 if you find yourself waking up multiple times a night to urgently use the bathroom, or type 0 if you manage to sleep straight through the darkness but still consistently wake up feeling completely drained, stiff, and unrefreshed. This simple, interactive check helps me understand our growing community better so I can protect your health and guide you with the exact, targeted content you need to thrive. The fundamental, biological reason plain water violently interrupts your sleep after the age of 60 comes down to a crucial, unavoidable physiological shift involving your antidiuretic hormone. When we are younger and in our physical prime, this incredibly important hormone naturally and efficiently concentrates our urine at night so we can sleep deeply without any interruption. But as we inevitably age, the natural production of this essential hormone decreases significantly and sometimes abruptly. If you drink a large volume of plain water right before your head hits the pillow, your aging kidneys are forced to process it rapidly, quickly filling your bladder and brutally forcing you awake, completely ruining your chances of ever entering the vital stages of deep sleep necessary for your body to physically recover, cognitively reset, and cellularly heal. Instead of relying on plain water, you urgently need to switch your evening routine to incorporate specific, nutrient-dense, and highly functional beverages that not only hydrate your tissues slowly and safely, but also provide the exact biochemical building blocks your aging body desperately needs to unwind naturally, build lean muscle effectively, and thoroughly repair accumulated daily cellular damage. The very first life-changing, soothing beverage I want to formally introduce to your nightly regimen is warm, completely unsweetened almond milk. This is categorically not just a comforting, nostalgic nighttime ritual. It is a rigorously, scientifically proven sleep aid absolutely packed with high-quality magnesium and the crucial amino acid tryptophan. Magnesium is an absolutely essential mineral that directly helps your tense muscles physically relax and actively prevents those agonizing, painful nocturnal leg cramps that so many seniors tragically suffer from needlessly. Night after night. Tryptophan, on the other crucial hand, is a powerful, naturally occurring amino acid that your complex body actively uses to produce serotonin, famously known as the happy chemical, which is then sequentially converted directly in your brain into melatonin, your body's master, indispensable sleep hormone. By consciously drinking a small cup of warm, unsweetened almond milk approximately an hour before you plan to go to bed, you are generously giving your aging brain the exact, precise raw materials it absolutely requires to naturally and smoothly produce melatonin, ensuring a beautifully peaceful transition into deep sleep without the lingering, dangerous grogginess so often associated with toxic prescription sleeping pills. If your racing mind tends to stay incredibly busy and you frequently go to bed feeling mentally wired, stressed, and unable to shut off your thoughts, The second transformative drink you absolutely need to incorporate into your strict nightly routine is high-quality, organic chamomile tea. For countless centuries, chamomile has been universally utilized as a fundamentally safe, wonderfully natural remedy for nervous anxiety and chronic insomnia. But modern, rigorous clinical science has finally uncovered precisely why it works so incredibly well for the aging brain. Chamomile actively contains a highly potent, naturally occurring flavonoid called apigenin, which chemically binds directly and efficiently to the critical GABA receptors located deep within your brain. These specific GABA receptors are the exact same neural pathways actively targeted by harsh, addictive prescription anti-anxiety medications, but chamomile powerfully activates them entirely naturally, gently and safely calming your overactive nervous system and dramatically reducing the restless, pervasive anxiety that maliciously keeps you awake staring at the dark ceiling. Steeping a remarkably strong, concentrated cup of high-quality chamomile tea using 2 full tea bags instead of just 1 ensures you consistently receive a highly therapeutic, clinically relevant dose of apigenin, perfectly preparing your conscious mind for a long, uninterrupted night of profound, restorative tranquility. I want to purposefully take a brief, meaningful moment right here in the exact middle of our deep educational discussion to simply and genuinely say thank you for being here, for taking your precious health seriously, and for willingly allowing me to share this vital, heavily researched information with you. I truly, deeply appreciate your unwavering dedication to actively improving your overall well-being, and I am profoundly honored to be a trusted part of your ongoing health and longevity journey. Now, moving forward, if you are someone who deeply struggles with the genuine fear of nighttime dehydration, but you are absolutely terrified of drinking anything at all because of frustrating bladder control issues, our third brilliant, scientifically validated solution is lightly warmed, pure coconut water. You might understandably worry about safely drinking any type of liquid at night, but coconut water is uniquely, biologically beneficial because it is incredibly rich in naturally occurring, easily absorbed electrolytes, particularly the essential mineral potassium, which actively and efficiently helps pull water directly into your thirsty cells rather than simply leaving it sitting uselessly and provocatively in your sensitive bladder. This incredibly important biochemical mechanism means you finally achieve deep, necessary cellular hydration without the sudden, urgent, and disruptive need to sprint to the bathroom at 2 in the morning, thereby allowing your entire body to flawlessly perform its absolutely necessary, complex nighttime maintenance completely uninterrupted by frustrating waking episodes. Moving on deliberately to our fourth incredibly powerful, restorative sleep tonic. If you unfortunately suffer from chronic systemic inflammation, persistently aching joints, or chronically high psychological stress levels that physically and mentally prevent you from fully relaxing, you absolutely must try the ancient, scientifically vindicated remedy of golden milk combined with a crucial pinch of black pepper. The absolute star, non-negotiable ingredient in authentic golden milk is high-quality turmeric, which abundantly contains the highly active, heavily studied compound curcumin, a scientifically celebrated, world-renowned anti-inflammatory agent. However, what specifically makes curcumin truly, undeniably magical for struggling seniors is its unique, documented ability to actively lower circulating cortisol levels and smoothly regulate the delicate HPA axis, which is your body's central, primary physiological stress response system. When cortisol, universally known as the primary stress hormone, is artificially elevated at night due to pain or anxiety, it completely, chemically blocks the natural release of melatonin, making restorative sleep virtually, biologically impossible. By routinely drinking perfectly warm, well-prepared golden milk, you actively, intentionally suppress this rogue cortisol, gently soothe your overactive HPA axis, and confidently allow your intrinsic, natural sleep mechanisms to flawlessly take over. The deliberate addition of black pepper is absolutely, unequivocally essential because it magically increases the bodily absorption of curcumin by up to an astonishing 2,000%, completely ensuring you consistently get the maximum possible anti-inflammatory, pain-reducing, and sleep-inducing benefits from every single, delicious sip you take. Finally, We arrive with great anticipation at the fifth and perhaps absolutely most crucial, game-changing drink for ambitious seniors who not only want to sleep deeply and peacefully, but also desperately want to proactively combat age-related, debilitating muscle loss and chronic joint pain. Warm, high-quality, gelatin or lightly diluted, nutrient-dense bone broth. This savory, deeply nourishing option might initially sound highly unusual or even unappealing for a bedtime routine, but it is an absolute, undeniable nutritional powerhouse for your rapidly aging body because it is heavily loaded with the miracle amino acid glycine. Glycine is an absolutely incredible, multifunctional amino acid that directly acts as a powerful inhibitory neurotransmitter in your brain, actively and safely lowering your core body temperature, which is a vitally important, evolutionary biological signal that firmly tells your complex body it is definitively time to initiate sleep. Beyond its truly profound, scientifically documented sleep-inducing properties, glycine is also a primary, non-negotiable structural component of human collagen, meaning that as you sleep deeply, this specific drink generously gives your body the exact, precise raw nutritional materials it needs for critical, nightly collagen repair, actively strengthening your vulnerable joints, delicate ligaments, and fraying tendons. Even more impressively, and directly addressing the promise of our discussion, glycine actively stimulates the natural, physiological release of human growth hormone during your deepest, most restorative sleep cycles, directly and powerfully promoting lean muscle growth, enhancing physical recovery, and actively helping to firmly reverse the dangerous, accelerating muscle wasting that so many older adults silently struggle with every single year. Now that you definitively know exactly what specific, powerful liquids to drink to fiercely protect your precious sleep and actively recover your physical strength, we absolutely must discuss the crucial, non-negotiable implementation strategy. Because exactly how and precisely when you physically drink these specific beverages is just as critically important as what you are actually drinking. To fully maximize the immense biological benefits while completely, scientifically sound timing and volume protocol, you absolutely should consume your carefully chosen, warm sleep drink exactly 60 to 90 minutes before you actively plan to close your eyes and go to sleep, generously giving your slowing digestive system ample, necessary time to fully process the liquid, separate the water, and deeply absorb the critical, life-changing nutrients. Furthermore, you must strictly and disciplinedly limit the total volume consumed to no more than exactly 6 to 8 fluid ounces. This is intended to be a highly concentrated, medicinal dose, definitely not a massive, thirst-quenching gulp, specifically designed to efficiently deliver the crucial active compounds like apigenin, magnesium, and glycine without unnecessarily overloading your sensitive, aging bladder. The physical temperature of the liquid is also an absolutely critical, often overlooked factor. The drink must be pleasantly warm, absolutely not scalding hot, and most definitely not ice cold. Warm, soothing liquids gently and temporarily raise your internal core temperature slightly, and the subsequent, highly natural cooling process of your body perfectly mimics the natural, circadian temperature drop that organically occurs during the onset of sleep, further and powerfully signaling to your responsive brain that it is definitively time to shut down and heal. By strictly and consistently following these highly precise, expertly crafted instructions, you completely eliminate the lingering, pervasive fear of constantly waking up to urgently use the bathroom, finally allowing you to fully, safely embrace the immense, restorative healing power of these completely natural, scientifically validated drinks. Getting older and aging naturally absolutely does not mean you simply have to passively accept chronically poor sleep, rapidly declining muscle mass, or the miserable reality of waking up feeling intensely stiff, painfully sore, and utterly exhausted every single day of your remaining life. You absolutely possess the inherent power to fundamentally change your long nights and, consequently, dramatically improve your waking days by consciously making this one remarkably simple, brilliantly counterintuitive switch completely away from drinking plain, disruptive water before bed. Just genuinely imagine for a moment waking up tomorrow morning feeling incredibly clear-headed, wonderfully physically strong, and remarkably, joyfully light, possessing the deep, comforting knowledge that your resilient body spent the entire, uninterrupted night actively repairing, successfully growing, and thoroughly rejuvenating itself exactly, perfectly as nature originally intended. If you want to learn more simple, natural ways to sleep better and feel healthier after 60, check out the next video on this channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.